your mama.
Here's how to learn sheet music and be a pro like me. A whole note has 4 beats. A half note is 2 beats. A quarter note is 4 beats. An eighth note requires half of a beat. A 16th note requires a quarter of a beat. A 32nd note dissembles an eighth of a beat. A 64th note gives a 16th beat, and a 128th note is pretty quite fast. It has a 30-second required to a beat, and the rest are the same, but you don't have notes. Bar lines. This is a bar line. This is what to do when the song has more than 4 beats or not. If we don't have it, then you completely mess up music. This is a dotted bar line. I don't know what this is used for. This is a double bar line. This is one used for 8 beats. These are repeat bars. That means to repeat it again and again. This is a clef change. It changes, clef changes. This is a time signature change. You can change the time signature whatever you like. Here are the note relationships.
Don't record on my computer. You're trying to do simple things.
Okay, so the dot means play half of the value longer. A B note is to connect 8 notes on or shorter. A slur means play the notes smoothly. Tie means play the joined notes together as one note. The glissando means slide to the next note. A duplet means play 2 of the notes fastly. Triplet, play the notes 2/3 of the original length, like this song here. See? This has a triplet bar. And this is a go note. Play very softly between the main. Articulations and more. Staccato, play the note shorter. Accent, play the note louder. Tenuto, play the note slightly longer. Fermata, play the note longer. Trill, play rapidly between the 2 adjacent notes. For example, C and D. Tremolo, play the note rapidly. Arpeggio, play the chord in rapid succession. Grace note. Acciaccatura. Staccato, play the note shorter and louder. Mordent, play the adjacent note and return. Down bow. Up bow. I don't know what these guys mean. Let me know in the comments. Rehearsal mark. I still don't know what this means anyway. But I maybe know it. I don't know. I think it means sections of how to play a song. And then you repeat it all over again. For example, A, B, C, and then A, B, C. Breath mark. This requires when you're playing on a string or a brass instrument. When you're playing with a brass or wood, to play the next note, 8 VA, play 1 octave higher. 8 VB, play 1 octave lower. And there's also more things such as 15, which means 2 octaves higher. And here, accidentals and quarter tones. Flat, lower the pitch of a note by half tone, like this. Sharp, Raise the pitch of the note by half tone, like this. Natural, cancel or accidental or key. Cancel the accidental or key signature, like this. Double flat, lower the pitch of a note by a whole tone, like this. Double sharp, raise the pitch of the note by a whole tone, like this. Demi flat, lower the pitch of a note by 1/4 tone, like this. Wait. I'll show you in the sheet music. Here's what it looks like for one chart. Let me slow it down. What two demi flats sound like. This is a demi sharp. Raise the pitch of a note by 1/4 tone. Here's what it does to two demi sharps. So there you go. Now you can make your own sheet music, but we're almost done. You can transpose stuff like from -11, C sharp, D flat, and then you can go all the way up. Okay, so I'll show you the notes by singing. C sharp, D flat, D sharp, B flat, E, F sharp, G flat, G sharp, A flat, A sharp, B flat, B. And then you can go very low. It repeats. Yeah, so this is tempo. It requires how slow or long to play. Okay, so you can play it however fast or slow you can be. Remember the original note, how slow it is in sheet music, the faster it gets in tempo. And what happens when you put faster notes, that will officially change it. That will officially make it slow. So here's how tempo really is. You can say it by grave 10:39 and largo from 42:59 and you call it adagio from 62 to 75. And when to go to 76, you go to andante. 76 to 94, and 95 is andantino from 95 to 107, and moderato is to 108 to 119, and electrico is to 120 to 134, and 135 allegro is from 135 to 155, and presto is from 156 to 199, and pretissimo is from 200 to 500 plus. Right now we're gonna leave it to 120 because that's the default. And the treble requires higher notes, and you know the notes they have lines and spaces right there. If you don't know the lines and spaces of the notes, go tell your mom to search. Go on YouTube and search treble clef lines and spaces, and the bass is more lower. Now alto, soprano, mezzo, tenor, and baritone is way lower and higher. And these are drums and percussion. Now we're gonna, like I said, we're leaving this to treble. And we can use, and we can rather
It's the bottom button.
use key signatures.
That's why I was wondering if
So you can take a look of it. And they also have cooler terms too. Like I said, we're leaving this to default. And the octaves go. Remember when I said we can go 2 signatures, 2 octaves higher with 15 MA to 15 MB. We can also go lower to 22 VA and 22 VB. And the line color, we can change it whatever we want in apps. But for now, we're leaving this here. And the volume, that doesn't work in sheet music. We use dynamics, which I'll tell you right now. Pianissimo, play extremely soft. Pianissimo, play very soft. Piano, play soft. Mezzo piano, play moderately soft. Mezzo forte, play moderately loud. And yes, you can add many P's and F's as you can, which the F's I'll explain to you now. Forte, play loud. Fortissimo, play very loud. Fortissimo, play extremely loud. Hear more. Crescendo, a gradual increase in volume. Decrescendo, a gradual decrease in volume. Sposando, play extremely loud. Sposando, still loud. Forte piano, play louder than soft. Piano forte, play soft and then loud. Mute, unmute. You know what these are, guys. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell for more tutorial videos on sheet music. I also do random videos for no reason. So thank you for watching and bye. Also, did you notice that this is the longest video ever?